Test subject is 59-year-old Thomas Clark, a full-time employee at Playtime Co. since 19. Now, Mr. Clark, of sound mind, has volunteered for this experiment.
We have eye movement. Can you hear us, Thomas?
1199 displayed much more disorientation than we expected. I don't believe he knows where he is or what. The other experiments could tell 1199 was different. They would have killed him had the research team not had significant damage to the... It took 12 hours in surgery to stabilize 1199. We keep him separated from the others now.